We wanted to show you things that you would never find. You would never think to go there. They're completely unique.
I always tell people off the beaten track, off the beaten path, whatever you want to call it, non-conventional, beautiful and bizarre places.
My name is Ellie Logue, and I am a full-time actress, model, and stunt woman.
I'm Anna Wilson. I'm one of the co-creators and producers of Beautiful and Bizarre, and I am Ellie's wife.
She started talking to me about all of the exciting places she had actually been, but when she's seen people cover those,
there's a lot missing in the very real experience of being in a place like that. So we talked about the different type of B&Bs that are now popping up that people are creating, how unique and cool those are. I want it to be all-inclusive, and I'd like to show people, hey, you can actually come stay at this castle or this train or something that's made out of, you know, a jet engine from a plane.
Every place we go, it has a handmade, homemade touch. Someone came up with this idea and made it because they loved it and they were passionate about it. When we decided to start the show, it began as just traveling from Airbnb to events and location destinations. And then we realized we want more than that. We want to show people more than that. We want to show them every aspect of our life. And we realized we needed a fifth wheel immediately. And so we began researching for them and came across Keystone. And they had amenities that nobody else had. And it was a one-stop shop where everything we needed was all in one spot. So we contacted Keystone, and I spoke with Christy, and we developed a relationship. She asked us, you know, what was it that we wanted to do? And we explained to her our goals and our aspirations.
And it's been through living a minimalist lifestyle, which is where Q the Sprinter, where living this lifestyle comes in handy, because we can actually afford, as she said, to travel like we actually want to do. So you see one part of us living here, our home base, that's always nice to come home to, but easy to maintain, simple, beautiful, relaxing.
One of the things we loved is that Keystone absolutely celebrates and supports people having their dogs with them, and they realize that your dogs aren't just pets, they're your family. So many of the amenities that are built into the Sprinter are designed for your pets and making their life convenient as well as your own. And I love that because our little sweet babies deserve a cute little bed, and they built one right at the end of our bed, and that was such a cute feature. So we love that they help encourage people live this lifestyle, but live it with your pets. We absolutely love Keystone and appreciate them tremendously because not only are they an RV and fifth wheel manufacturer, but they embrace the green notion, the minimalist lifestyle, and leaving a smaller footprint. So when they realized that was our mission, it was a perfect marriage, and we are so grateful to them for pushing greener camping, because many companies don't focus on that. Yes, you're out in nature, but they don't think about how you could leave a smaller footprint when you're there. And Keystone absolutely embraces that notion, celebrates that notion, is trying to also promote that notion. And as environmentalists, that's everything for us. Things can be beautiful and bizarre. Bizarre doesn't mean bad, it means different, it means unique. Travel can be daunting, and it doesn't have to be. It should be an adventure, it should be exciting, it should be inspirational. It should make you want to be better than you are today. It should make you want to rise up and do more, give more, be more. And when people hear the term minimalist, they're like, oh, that means less. And it doesn't. It means less burden, less strife, less pain, which means more time, more freedom, more enjoyment. And that's what we've always focused on, is the more in the minimalist, the beautiful and the bizarre, and the freedom of people's passions and creativities that we now get to explore.